Hello students, this video is for Standard 10 Maharashtra Board. Subject is Mathematics 1, that is Algebra. Chapter number 3, its name is Arithmetic Progression. Practice set 3.1. We have already done the introduction before this practice set and also question number 1 of this practice set 3.1. So this is part 2 of practice set 3.1. 3.1 में total 3 questions हैं. First question we have already done. Now we are moving towards question number 2. This question is related to write an AP with the first term and the common difference. Already you have given the first term, that is A. It is also known as T1, and the common difference, that is D, small d. So in each and every sum you are given with A and D, and you have to find a arithmetic progression. Okay. So in question number 1 it is given as A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. How to solve this? देखो A दिया है, A कितना है T1, that is 10. Now to find T2 we have to just add in the previous term. Means what is the previous term was 10. Then you are going to add the common difference in the previous term, T1 plus D. If you want to find T3, it is T2 plus D. If you want to find the fourth term, in the third term you are going to add the common difference. Means each and every time if you want the next term, what you have to do is just add the common difference in the previous term. So A is T1, that is 10. So to find T2, what is the formula? T1 plus D. What is your T1? That is 10. And what is your D is 5. Means you got as 15. T3, T2 plus D. What is T2? T2 is 15. Then plus, then what we get is 20. Then T4 is T3 plus D. What is T3? 20 plus 5 and 25. From where we are getting this 5? 5 is the common difference. And just going to add this common difference in the previous term, you will get the next term. So the particular thing you have to find, the first term is given to you, you have to find the next 3 terms and then you can write the arithmetic progression. In each and every sum you have to do the same steps. So your arithmetic progression is, don't forget to write the first term. The first term was 10. Second term, that is T2, you got it as 15. Then third term is 20 and then 25, and do not forget to make it as continuous. Okay, it is infinite. So this was your question number 1. For question number 2, I'm just going to rough the part of things and show you the next question. Okay. So in the second one, A and D are given as -3 and 0. This is very simple actually. Whenever 0 is given, -3 and 0. See, the first term A, that is T1, is -3 and the common difference is 0. T1 plus D. What is the T1 is -3 plus 0. You will again get -3. T2 plus D. T2 is -3 plus 0. You will again get -3 and again -3 plus 0. You will get -3. Means your arithmetic progression is -3, -3, -3, -3. You are going to write first 4 terms. Okay. So this was the second question. Now moving towards the third one. In the third term, third question, A is -7 and D is 1 upon 2. Okay, so A is what? T1, that is -7. T1 plus D means -7 plus 1 upon 2. Here you will get little bit of confused. What you have to do is just cross multiply it. -7 into 2 is -14, then plus 1, and all the denominator will be 2. What you got is -13 upon 2. This is your first term, second term, sorry. Then for the third term, you are going to add this -13 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Very simple. 2 denominators are same now. -13 plus 1 is -12. That is -6. Okay. Then for the fourth term, this -6 will be added to 1 upon 2. Again 2 6s, that is -12. Minus will be there and 6 2s are 12 will be there. Then plus 1 and upon 2. So it is -12. Denominator will be 2. -12 plus 1 is -11. So it is -11 upon 2. See, you can write these numbers in decimals also. -13 upon 2, we can also write it as -6.5. Okay, -13 upon 2 is -6.5. This is -6, and what you can write here is -5.5. So the my sequence was, first term is -7, then second term is -6.5, the third term is -6, and the fourth term is -5.5. See, you can also write directly 1/2 as 0.5, and then very easily you can do this sum. -7 plus 0.5. In this way also you can write the sum. Okay. So for the third question, no, fourth one, -1.25. A is -1.25 and D is 3. Very simple. A is -1.25. Now, what is T2? T2 is T1 plus 3. What is T1? It is -1.25 plus 3. How you are going to do this? See, plus minus is minus. So, we are going to subtract this 1.25 from 3. Again, decimal, after decimal 0 will be there. How you subtract this? This is 10, this is 9, this is 2. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So in this way, okay. And the bigger number is 3. So the sign will be of plus only. So it is 1/7, 5. This is your T2. Then what you are going to find, how you are going to find T3? T3 is T2 plus the common difference, that is 3. And very easily it is 3 plus 1 is 4.75. Okay, it is 4.75. Very easy. Okay, then to find T4, 4.75 plus 3, and this is 4 plus 3 is 7.75. Only to find T2 was little bit different because you have to subtract that. And now your sequence is what? Your sequence is, the first term was -1.25, the second term was 1.75, the third term was 4.75, and the fourth term was 7.75 and onwards. See, this is your arithmetic progression. Now towards question number 5. Question number second ka fifth है, sorry. Question number second ka fifth है ये. And what we are getting the value, A is equal to 6 and D is -3. This is 6, this is -3. Very simple. A is what? 6. T2 is T1 plus D. T1 was 6 plus -3. That is 6 minus 3 means 3. Okay. T3 was T2 plus D. What is T2? T2 was 3 plus D. D was -3. So it is 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay. T4 was what? T3 plus D. What is T3? T3 is 0. 0 plus -3, that is 0 minus 3, it is -3. So your sequence was, the first term was 6, then 3, then 0, and then -3. This is how you got the sequence. It is 6, 3, 0 and -3. 4 terms we have to find. And the last sum for this question, question number 2, question number 6 is, in this A is given as -19 and D is given as -4. So you got T1 as -19. What you have to do to find T2? Just add T1 with common difference, that is D. Means it is -19 -4. Minus will be plus. 19 plus 4 will be 23 and sign will be of subtraction because the greater number is also having subtraction sign. Okay. So in T2, in T2, T3, T2 plus common difference, that is -23 -4. What you get as -23 -4 as -27. Okay. Then for T4, T3 plus D. T3 is -27 plus D is -4. So -27 -4, that is -31. So the first term was -19, second one was -23, third one was -27, and fourth one is -31, and so on. So this is what, this is your arithmetic progression. So यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के हमने 6 सम तक कर लिए. Now moving towards question number 3. Question number 3 में 4 सम्स हैं. पैटर्न सेम है, एक क्वेश्चन के सारे सम्स एक ही पैटर्न के हैं. सो इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, बट थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है बिकॉज एग्जाम में आपको पैटर्न देकर नहीं आएगा, आपको खुद समझना पड़ेगा कि कौन से क्वेश्चन को कौन से पैटर्न से करना है. सो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में find the first term and the common difference means we have to find a, or also we know it as t1, and also the common difference. This is your question, you have to find this one. अभी हम लोगों को फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 5 then 1 -3 and -7. Okay, okay, this series is given to you. This is an AP, already it is given. Then find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. It is already AP, it is given to you. You have to just find A and D. Very simple. See, what is A? A is the first term, that is 5. Simply you got the first question. Then what about the D? For getting D you have to write same pattern is there, means again T1 is 5, T2 I'm going to write in this way. Okay, T1 is 5, T2 is 1, T3 is -3 and T4 is -7. So already you have got the first sum, the first part of the question, that is T1. To find D, what you will do? T2 minus T1, that is 1 minus 5, it is -4. Then T3 minus T2, that is -3 minus 1 is -4, and T4 minus T3 is -7 minus -3, means -7 plus 3, and it is again -4. So D is -4. It is not compulsory to subtract all the terms. This is what D, all the time it is D. Okay, so here you can write as the first term is equal to 5 and the common difference is equal to -4. You will get this sum for 2 marks in exams. So again question number 2, sum number 2 in question 3. Okay, सेकेंड हम कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड में हमको AP दिया है 0.6, then 0.9, then it is 1.2, then 1.5, and so okay, the first term is 0.6, then second term is 0.9, it is 1.2, it is 1.5. Okay, so first term we have already got. Now to find D is equal to, you can write as T2 minus T1, that is 0.9 minus 0.6, it is 0.3. Easy. Then D is equal to T3 minus T2. What is that? 1.2 minus 0.9, it is again minus 0.3. Then D is equal to T4 minus T3, that is 1.5 minus 1.2, that is again 0.3. So you have to write the first term. What is the first term? 0.6 and the common difference, and it is what? 0.3. So you got it. Then question number 3 का third sum. Okay, and the sequence AP given here is 127, 135, 127, 135, then 143 and 151, 143 and 151, and so on. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, now T1 is 127, T2 is 135, T3 is 143, and T4 is 151. Okay, now D is equal to T2 minus T1, means 135 minus 127. कितना क्या आंसर आएगा आपको? सबट्रैक्शन करके क्या आंसर आएगा? हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कर रहे हैं, सबट्रैक्शन करके क्या आंसर आएगा? 8. ओके, देन again T3 minus T2, that is 143 minus 135, you will get as 8, sorry. Then 151 minus 143, again you will get it as 8. So the first term was 127 and the common difference was 8. Very simple. Now the fourth part and the last sum of this question also and this practice set also. Okay. Now the fourth sum of question number 3. The sum is 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 7 upon 4. This is again very easy. Okay, the first term is 1 upon 4, the second term is 3 upon 4, it is 5 upon 4 and the last term is 7 upon 4 of this sequence. So D is what? T2 minus T1, that is 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. See, the denominator is same, so 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 4. Okay, so the common difference you can write as 1 upon 2. Then T3 minus T2, okay, 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Again you will get as, denominator is same, 5 minus 3 is 2. Again you will get it as 1 upon 2. Then T4 minus T3, that is 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 4 and again 1 upon 2. Very simple. So the first term is 1 upon 4 and the common difference is 1 upon 2. So this is very much easy. You will get it for 2 marks. So in this way we have completed practice set 3.1 of chapter number 3, that is arithmetic progression of mathematics 1 standard 10 and Maharashtra board. Okay, so in this way we have completed this exercise. Thank you.